Alright, hi you guys. It's been a while since we've done a little garden review with the new daily challenge going on, so I thought I'd give a cheeky little garden update. Everything's doing so good. Here are the tomatoes. It is Saturday, July 4th. Hello, good morning, beautifuls. We just did the gratitude challenge, so let's just do a traditional little cheeky vlog here. We'll take you around the garden. It is fantastic. Today's a little bit... We've had all that storm, we've had all that rain, it's been crazy. But here we are. A look at the poppies. Those are the poppies with our little painted dinosaur. Where are we? Look at the borage. The borage is huge. And the flax is all growing. Some of it had flowered. But what I love is like it sporadically flowers. Oh, we got a nice little damselfly going on. Lavender is looking a little, I don't know. What should I do about this lavender? Do I need to clip the flowers off? We'll see. We'll see. Maybe it just needs some dry time. Oh, low battery. I hope I don't lose you guys. I've got these peas coming up here. Those other ones are coming up at the horns. Oh, I hope I don't lose you because I'm excited. I'm excited. Look at these tall things here. Those are growing. Flower, flower. I've got some of these little guys going on in there. All right. Back to the garden. Back to why I went and got the camera. Look at how beautiful it is. They're starting to open. I had to cut back the apple tree right here in order to get more light on those guys. I think that's what happened. But I came around the garden. I was so happy to see that. I had to run and grab the camera, share it with you guys. Nothing like a little cheeky garden update. Hen and chick stuff doing good. Stuff over here going good. And let's look at the borage. That might be dill. And then also I created a hen and chicks garden here. So my painted rocks are going to go in here, and I put the hen and chicks out the other day. And hopefully that will fill in that little rock garden area. How exciting, hey? A little veggies coming up in here I'm all excited about. Looks like some lamb's quarters. I'm not sure what that is. And then again, here are the poppies. And then back again to the lily garden. I scared a Hummer coming up. Let's go look at Babs's sunflower. Sunny's getting so tall. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. And some lettucey sort of stuff going on. I think these guys are just weeds. They need to go. All that borage coming in. I fell in love with it. It's so pretty. Goji. It's just so pretty. I don't know what that is. But this had those wildflowers in there last year, and I kept the sticks in here because it helps keeps the cats out. Oh, we've got some beautiful flower heads forming there. I'm so excited. Do. All right, how do you like that? My little angel is growing some wheat grass. But look at that prime beauty right there. That's the whole reason I came and got the camera today. So I know it's a little different with the vlogs, but I won't leave you out of the garden updates. Excuse me. So when we have something cool happen, I will come and let you know right away. All right, you guys, I love you. I hope your day is great. Thanks for walking around the garden with me. It's so exciting to be able to share it with you. It looks a little overgrown, but it's beautiful. Flax and yarrow and lilies and borage and roses and poppies. And, of course, our happy face. All right, you guys, I'll see you later. Happy gardening.